Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by using the phone app because it manages speed dial on most Android phones. Make sure the contact you want is saved with the correct number, otherwise the shortcut won't work. Once the phone app is open, navigate to recent calls or contacts to find that contact quickly. You're not configuring system settings yet, you're creating the actionable item. Tap the contact to reveal options so you can add it to speed dial. This is the first decisive step. Now assign the contact to a slot so you can call quickly. Tap the three-dot menu or the contact's details and choose Add to Speed Dial or Set as Favorite depending on your phone. If a numeric slot selection appears, pick a single-digit slot like 1 through 9. Slot 1 is often reserved for voicemail. This binds the contact to the slot so you can long press the digit on the dialer or use the speed dial widget. Do this to complete the middle, detailed setup. Finish by testing the speed dial entry. Long press the assigned digit on the dialer or tap the speed dial widget. If the wrong number calls, edit the contact and reassign the slot to update the shortcut. Changes don't always auto-sync. If the digit does nothing, force close the phone app and reopen or reboot the phone. This clears cached shortcuts. Finally, make sure Do Not Disturb or call blocking apps aren't interfering. Resolve those settings if calls still fail.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.